Daniela. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, the wig shop owner, and the educator at Aderans. And I am also known as Texas Wig Fairy on Instagram and Facebook behind the wig. Today I'm going to show you how to properly install a wig, and I'm going to show you my way of installing a wig. So I know sometimes in our community it's a little confusing. Install means to a lot of people, I'm going to have to go through a lot of trouble, I'm going to have to use a lot of products, I'm going to be using glue and tape. And if you've seen me on Instagram, you know that I never use glue or tape. This is so simple, you can do this in 30 seconds. Today I'm going to be using my wig brush, a nylon wig cap, and our René of Paris wig grip. Let me show you what that looks like. This is my bio here. Yes, I know you've never seen it because I don't want you to see it. However, I'm going to just start off, and I always just take the tangles out. And then I'm going to start with my nylon wig cap. And what I do is, I have done this so long, so many years, that I don't use wig pins. And I don't like wig pins because they get stuck in the wig cap, they tear it, and then when I'm putting my wig on, they get stuck in the foundation. So I just take my wig liner and you want to make sure that you have all your hair underneath. Make sure that your ears are out because you don't want your ears covered. I see women trying to put the wig cap here, and that would make for a very uncomfortable experience. So after I put on my nylon wig cap, I'm going to put my René of Paris wig grip, and these come with and without lace. So I use the lace pieces when I'm going to have a wig that's going to have lace front or lace part. Today I'm going to use Seville, so either way, I just feel more comfortable having the lace just in case I decide to choose a different style, which you really should about every 2 hours, in my opinion. So you put this on, and there's two different sides, and I want to share this. When you put this on, you want to run your finger across the top here, and for lack of a better explanation, you feel like resistance. So this is designed to keep your wig on, so this is going to mesh together with the foundation fabric. So if you feel resistance, you have it on correctly. If you feel smooth when you go back with your finger, that's not correct. So you just want to switch it and put the Velcro on the other side. Just try to remember that when you do find the side that's correct, like on this one, the smaller piece of Velcro is going to be on the right. So now you just want to hold your wig. I usually turn them upside down like this by the ear tab so that it doesn't fold as such when I'm going to put this on. You can hold the front here. You're going to hold this on your hairline, and then you just go back with it. And this is how easy it is to install or put a wig on with this wig grip. Let me show you. It stays put. So this is how easy it is to install a wig, or this is the way I did it. Okay, so I know it gets confusing a lot of times when people come in. They're wanting to install a wig, and it's confusing because I've been asked several times, like, how do you take care of the lace? How do you cut the lace? How do I know how to cut the lace? Do I have to get a professional cut it? The most beautiful thing about our wigs is that all our wigs, the lace is pre-cut. They're pre-designed, pre-cut, which makes installation so much easier. And today I showed you how to apply the wig cap and then install the wig. I have bio hair. If you don't have hair, you may choose not to wear a wig cap. You may not want to wear a wig grip. I would highly encourage you to watch Abby on our Instagram. She can show you how she goes about her day with installing a wig super quick without any other accessory, and it also stays in place. So today I showed you how to put on and install a wig with BioHair. If you're interested in viewing Abby on our social platforms, always remember Abby is our alopecia ambassador. She's amazing, and she can show you how she installs her wig even quicker without any nylon wig cap or wig grip, and her hair stays in place. Thank you for watching. I'm Daniela, and if you need any other information, go to reneofparis.com. And like I've always said, live big in your ROP wig.